How to find unknown item name with just a picture. It could be a person, fruit, or anything that comes to mind. Stay tuned till the end of this episode to see the entire steps. On your phone, navigate to your browser. I'm using Chrome. Let's click it. In the address bar, type google.com. Beside this, you could see images. Click it. Then proceed to the ellipsis on the top right corner. Scroll down to locate desktop sites and tick this box. You will see a logo of a picture icon. Click it. On this interface, you can proceed to enter the URL of the picture if you have any. If you don't have and you have the actual image, proceed to upload an image. From there, choose File. Then let's navigate to our files. Then we are interested in finding the name of this fruit. So let's pick this. Select. Allow it a moment to upload. Then the fruit name has quickly popped up. We can see is red grapes. So you can repeat this process again for any image that you want. So now we want to upload a picture of an individual. This is a celebrity picture that we don't know who she is. In a moment, we could see her name is Alexandra Daddario. You could repeat this process for any image that you come across. Thank you very much for watching. Don't forget to hit the subscribe button to see many content like this. Bye bye.